Welcome to Let's Learn Turkish. There's 2, Lesson 2. In today's episode, we are going to see locative cases, there is, there are, there isn't, there aren't, numbers, ordinal numbers, and lastly, nominal numbers. Let's start with locative case questions. Nerede and kimde? When we use nerede and when we use kimde? We use nerede when we want to know exact location of a thing or a person. And we use kimde when we want to know who is with whom or who occupies the thing. The main rule here is the answer always has to contain locative case suffix. How we can know which suffix the answer have to contain? From the yellow table, you are going to see 2 major rules. When the last syllable of the answer finishes with one of the vowels a, o, u, the locative case suffix is going to be either da or tha. When the last syllable of the answer finishes with one of the vowels e, ö, ü, the locative case suffix is going to be de or te. The other major rule is when the answer contains one of the consonants ç, f, h, k, p, s, ş, or th. The locative case suffix is going to be tha. In all other consonants, the locative case suffix is going to be da. Let's see some examples. Let's start with the question nerede? Öğrenciler nerede? Where are the students? Öğrenciler sınıfta. Students are in the class. Sınıf shows the exact location of the students. Sınıf finishes with consonant f and its last syllable contains the vowel ı. So consequently, sınıf is going to take the locative case suffix tha and it becomes sınıfta. Let's continue. Bilgisayar nerede? Bilgisayar masada. Taksim nerede? Taksim İstanbul'da. Let's continue with the question kimde? Kimde is a question who shows the occupation of a thing. Telefon kimde? Who has the phone? Telefon Merve'de. Merve has the phone. Merve finishes with the vowel e. So it's going to take the locative case suffix de and it becomes Merve'de. Çanta kimde? Çanta Ahmet'te. Kalem kimde? Kalem öğretmende. Öğretmende. So the last syllable of the öğretmen contains the vowel e. So it's going to take the locative case suffix de and it becomes öğretmende. Next thing in today's lesson is var, there is, there are, yok, there isn't, there aren't. In Turkish language, plural and singular form for there is, there are is the same, var. And also plural and singular form of there isn't, there aren't is yok. Let's see some examples. Evde bilgisayar var. Evde bilgisayar yok. Ofiste sekreter var. Ofiste sekreter yok. Odada ne var? Odada yatak yok. Sınıfta kimler var? Sınıfta öğrenciler yok. Hastanede kim var? Hastanede doktor yok. And now let's learn some numbers. Sayılar. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you learn the multiplies of each number by 10, 100, and 1000, every next number repeats the first numbers. For example, the multiply of 2 by 10 is 20. 21 is 21. The multiply of 1 by 100 is 100. The next number is 101, 110, 120. The multiply of 1 by 1000 is 1000. And it continues. 1001, 1002, and etc. 9000. We learned numbers. Now we will continue with ordinal numbers. Sıralama sayıları. Ordinal numbers are created by adding the suffixes at the end of each number. When the number contains the vowel a, I, o, u, the suffix added to the end of the number is uncu or ıncı. When the number contains one of the vowels e, I, ö, ü, the suffix added to the end of the number is inci or üncü. Let's see some examples. Birinci. Bir contains the vowel I and it takes the suffix inci and it becomes birinci, ikinci, üçüncü, dördüncü and beşinci. Ordinal numbers can be submitted also as we add dot sign next to the number and it means the same suffix. Let's see some examples. When we have the number 1 and dot next to it, it means birinci. When we have number 2 and dot next to it, it means ikinci. When we have the number 3 and dot next to it, it means üçüncü. So, we learned numbers and ordinal numbers. Now it's time to learn how old, how many, how much. And they mean kaç, kaç lira, ne kadar. Saat kaç? What time is it? Saat 4. It's 4 o'clock. Bir ayda kaç gün var? How many days are there in a month? Bir ayda 30 gün var. There are 30 days in a month. Bir çay kaç lira? How much is a tea? Bir çay 1 lira. A tea is 1 lira. Kaç yaşındasınız? How old are you? 24 yaşındayım. I am 24. Last but not least thing in today's lesson is nominal sentences. İsim cümleleri. In Turkish language, there are 6 personal pronouns. Ben, sen, o, biz, siz, onlar. Ben is equal to I. Sen is equal to you. O is equal to she, he, it. Biz is equal to we. Siz is equal to you. Onlar is equal to they. How we can say what we are and what we work? We can say what we are and what we work just with adding suffix at the end of the word. For personal pronoun I, we use the suffix im, am, im, or It depends what vowel contains the last syllable of the word. For you, we add the suffix sin. Third person, she, he, it doesn't contain any suffix. For plural form, we use nis, inis, or ler. For creating negative sentences, we just add the word for creating negative sentences and the suffix for the nominal sentences. It means değilim, değilsin, değil, değiliz, değilsiniz, değiller. For creating question forms, we add the question word miyim for I, misin for you, mi for she, he, it. Miyiz for we, misiniz for you, mi for they. Creating negative questions is exactly as the same creating the negative sentences, with one exception that we add the question word at the end of the question. It means değil miyim, değil misin, değil mi, değil miyiz, değil misiniz, değiller mi. Let's see some examples. Tembel, Lazy. Ben tembelim. I'm lazy. Sen tembelsin. You are lazy. O tembel. He, she, it is lazy. Biz tembeliz. Siz tembelsiniz. Onlar tembeller. Ben tembel miyim? Interrogative form. Sen tembel misin? O tembel mi? Biz tembel miyiz? Siz tembel misiniz? Onlar tembeller mi? This is for today's lesson. If you liked it, you can support me with subscribing and sharing it with people who are interested in. And don't forget to put a thumbs up. Thank you.